So I'm Lydia Schubert and I'm from Holland. I did the graphic design course at the Academy. Well, I've already done a 5-year graphic design bachelor's degree, and I really was missing a way to combine my traditional skills or my more handmade quality of graphic design. Everything's quite conceptual and modern, and I felt like that the traditional graphic design was dying, and I couldn't find a place where I could study that. So this course really fulfilled exactly what I was looking for. So now that I've done this course, I feel like I have become a full package of exactly what kind of designer I wanted to be, and that's something that I couldn't achieve at my old design bachelor's degree. I say that traditional graphic design is coming back, and that you really should consider the course because it gives you so much more confidence when you can actually create things with your hand and you understand the history of typography in order to manipulate the typeface yourself. I think sometimes the computer is sometimes a bit of a crutch, and if you have the creativity and the power and the knowledge yourself to make it by hand, that's really where the future of graphic design is going.